Hey friends, welcome to the $1 Million Message. This is National Sales Director Kristin Sharpe coming in with your Thursday Thankful Message here on December 11th. And well, there are three main things that I want to talk to you about today. The first is the deadline for today for the Preferred Customer Program, which we call PCP, Lookbook Catalog Enrollment for the spring lookbook. So you enroll on Mary Kay In Touch. It's 95 cents per customer. Mary Kay Corporate sends a lookbook catalog for spring featuring all the new spring products, a sample, a personal message from you to your customer, friends, family members that you enroll. Now, by participating in the lookbook, even just enrolling one person for the spring catalog, you get to order the new spring products early. That's right. Also, doing PCP is one of the smartest things because to buy the lookbook, to put a sample, to post it, the labor that goes into it, oh my gosh, you couldn't even buy the catalog or the postage by itself for 95 cents. So I really want you to be a smart business owner. This is a marketing incredible tool that Mary Kay does for us. And it truly has been proven that consultants that enroll customers in the Preferred Customer Program sell more. And it's because people get that catalog, that sample, and your follow-up, because you have a reason to follow up, and you sell more. So I just want to make sure that's on your radar and you finish that today if you haven't already. All right. Now, the second deadline is our Q2 star deadline, which is December 15th. So you have a couple days, go on to Mary Kay In Touch and check to see how far away you are. There are so many people that are needing Christmas gifts, that are wanting holiday makeovers and appointments. So many customers that you can follow up with, or past customers that you can help them with their holiday gifting and finish your star. So step number one, no matter if you are literally 1,800 wholesale away or you're just really close to bumping up to the next level, star consultants get lots of perks. Referrals from Mary Kay. You get a shop out of the brochure online boutique of all the prizes that Mary Kay has, gift cards, items galore. It's like literally shopping on Amazon with whatever you want your points to go towards. Or of course, you can bank your points. And also, you guys, it's the recognition. It's the career accolade. It's knowing that you sold the product and profited, right? Many of you are, using your star credits to buy Christmas gifts out of the prize boutique. I love that idea. Or maybe you're getting a prize for yourself. But being a star consultant is so important because it was a program really designed by Mary Kay Ash because nothing happens until somebody sells something. So when consultants say, Kristin, I don't even know what goals to set in my Mary Kay business, I always say the first non-negotiable needs to be star. Now, many of you added team members this quarter and they became Great Start qualified. So as soon as you cross over to the Sapphire level, you get those bonus points. Also, many of you did a 600 last month or doing a 600 this month and you're getting additional 800 points. So make sure to log on to In Touch because you might have way more points than you even know you have. And you might perhaps be finishing your highest star quarter yet. So take a look, break down the number, and I want to challenge you to reach for a higher star level than you have ever done before. Okay? Now, the other December 15th deadline is our Kit and Commit deadline. I am hoping that you have heard the buzz because it has gone worldwide with our whole philosophy to go back to keeping it simple and to complete a perfect start by December 15th. So we launched this about, 3 weeks ago, where we were asking the Mary Kay world to kit and commit. The national sales directors in the U.S. have started this movement that has now gone viral to countries, it's gone viral in the Mary Kay world. Mary Kay China, Mary Kay Mexico, all of Europe, Canada, North America, and beyond are on Kit and Commit. So here's how it works. You book 8 parties to hold 5 by December 15th. It also means that you've refreshed your starter kit, or if you're a new consultant, you upgraded to the $90 starter kit. And that you not only booked the appointments, but you held the appointments. And when you do, you are going to earn an exclusive training call with Jennifer Cook. And it's more than a training, it's going to be an experience. Jennifer Cook was Mary Kay Ash's personal secretary for so many years. Countless years. She also was a personal friend. So I'm so excited for you to have that experience, to learn from Jennifer Cook, who really had a front row seat to learning from our dear Mary Kay Ash. But I also know the confidence that's going to come, the income that's going to be created, and wow, the highest star level you're going to have because you're going to kid and commit. This is a movement of going back to the basics that we are doing here in the US that has gone viral, and we want you to be a part. Okay, so 3 important things to make sure that you're a part of and that you don't miss. December 11th, the Preferred Customer Program, which is today, enrolling 1, 5, 10. Take a look at what you enrolled last quarter and do more customers in the Preferred Customer Program. It is a tax write-off. The 15th, the Star Consultant deadline, and the Kit and Commit deadline. So remember, it doesn't matter how far away you are from Star. It doesn't matter how far away you are from Kit and Commit. Anything can happen. You have today the 11th, the 12th, the 13th, 14th, and 15th. You have 5 days. 5 days to make it happen. And I have found that a woman that makes a decision to go for it and she makes up her mind, nothing can stop her. I know that you finishing Star, you finishing Kit and Commit will give you the momentum you need to finish this year strong, to start your January with incredible momentum and a great income for your family. All right, this is National Sales Director Kristin Sharpe signing off. I can't wait to celebrate you as a star and celebrate you for kidding and committing. Thank you for being part of the movement. All right, this is Kristin Sharpe signing off. Make today a day that counts.